This steamed fish with ginger recipe will only take you 10 minutes to prepare and 10 minutes to cook. So if you fancy following along, here's the recipe. Start by preparing your steamer and bringing the water up to a boil. I'm using a bamboo steamer and adding some baking paper to the base to prevent it sticking, but you can use whatever steamer you have. The fish that I'm using is haddock, but any white fish will do. So for example, you can also use cod or bass or even skate wings. Cut a piece of ginger about 1 inch in size and place the strips on top of the fish. When the water's boiling, steam the fish for about 5 minutes. While the fish is cooking, chop up 1 spring onion, or scallions as they're also called where I live. Also heat up 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and a few drops of sesame oil. Add the chopped scallions and pour on the hot oil and cook for a further 5 minutes. Pour on some soy sauce and also a few drops of optional Maggi sauce. I've only recently discovered Maggi sauce, but it seems to elevate any savoury dish that you use it with. It's available in any Asian grocery store.